Okay, so today we'll go back to where we left last time about our timer system, and we'll work on the on sound. As I said last time, in some platform like basically some touch device and maybe some browser on PC or Mac. I think the audio support doesn't support the has ended condition. So the workaround this problem is to time the sound and check a timer to assume the sound is ended. So I'm talking about unended, and on some even the preload is broken. I think on iPad and on iPhone. I'm not sure, but I think it's broken. So for now, the only workaround is to time the sound. So how will we do that? For now, since we won't touch the timer system, it's done, it's working. We will use it, but we won't modify it. So we can get rid of the testing feature, testing code. It will be clearer like that, and timing audio. Okay, saved here. Okay. So what do we want to do? We want to launch an audio file, and at the same time, the moment we launch it, we want to trigger a specific timer, the timer associated with this audio. So that when the audio is when the timer is finished, we can query the timer to know if the audio is finished, to assume it's finished. For now we can't really be sure of the audio is finished, since on the devices where audio as ended is unsupported, I think you can't even check when the audio starts. That is to say, you may have a little time when the audio is downloading before it starts, and then if your timer is precisely the length of your audio, you will miss the time when the audio has downloaded at the end of the audio. It will be cut. So we'll see how we can work around that too. So basically, what do we need to do? We need to create a function to call, to do all that in one go. You will call the audio, and through this function it will start the audio and also start the timer. So on function we'll say playAudio. So basically we want two things here: start timer and play sound. So we need a parameter of our playAudio function, which is the name of the audio file to play. Audio sound name. Okay. So as I always, not always, but often do, I will create a variable to name this parameter, and set value sound name to f.param0. Okay, it should be a string starting to get the hang of this kind of error. And so we will have audio play by name, sound name, and then start create timer. What we could do, we could do that. Just to document our system, could do something like that. I just copy the comments so I can have a quick look at the names and the parameters of my system. Well, I basically know it since I did it not long ago, but it's a good little trick. Okay, so how would we name the timer? I think the best name would be the sound name itself. So we can query the sound state by the same name. Sound name, and here it will be some duration. So now, how do we get the duration of a sound? Basically, we can't do that at runtime. We can't load some sound here and get the duration of the sound magically. We have to enter this more or less manually. So for now, we will create the structure which will hold the length of each sound. It will be a dictionary. This way we can associate a string, the sound name, with the length of the audio. So I don't need this. I need that. Cancel. Dictionary. We'll call that audio length. Okay. And we will say on start of frame of layout. Start of layout. Start of frame is multimedia fusion. Long time no. It's a long time I didn't use this one. So start of layout. Okay. First, we need some audio. I prepared some sample of me talking on the mic, reading something. Maybe you will recognize. 1, 2, 3, 4. According to the first scroll of Wen, the eternally surprised, Wen stepped out of the cave where he had received enlightenment and into the dawning light of the first day of the rest of his life. He stared at the rising sun for some time because he had never seen it before. Because he had never. The sound is little. It is a bit split, but it's a VLC issue. It split the sound. I don't know why. Maybe there's an option. If you know, please tell me. There might be an option to turn this awesome feature off. Anyway, that's me reading. Maybe you recognize where it comes from. So anyway, I will load this sound. So import sound. It's on my desktop called Wen. Okay, load sound. Okay, lowest quality. We don't need too much. It will create 3 types of file for every kind of browser. There's some support this type of file, some support this one, etc. Anyway, Now I have my sounds, and I need the length of each of these sounds. The audio length will look like that when 0, and any value here, the value will be in second. This one, so I'll okay, 3 seconds. It's not really precise. I'd like to have it in milliseconds if possible, but don't think I have this luxury. Could use Audacity. It's a free software for sound. And I can basically load them in one go. Okay. Stereo 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Okay. If I select this one, I have the duration in second and millisecond. So 3.855. I will take that on the side and set that to 5. Okay, copy paste. 1 would be 3.9. 2 would be set 3.785. Yeah, it's not the most interesting thing to do. 2 point etc. But don't worry, I have a little workaround to automatize this process. I will show you a bit later. For now, it's good enough to demonstrate the system. Okay, I have my length now. List sound length, and now I have my length. I have my function that gets the sound name, play the sound name, create a timer. Okay, so the timer will get the value audio length dot get sound name. Be careful about that. Sound name. Sound with the N. Okay. So basically, we have our sound. I should have kept something just for debug. Just showing the timer. So timer. For each key, I want to print the current value and the current key. Okay, timer, current key, timer, key, and timer dot current value. And since I don't want to fill my my pseudo console text box, I need to clear it each time. Remove. Okay, save. So we can display the timers here. on start of layout I create the list of audio length. If I play an audio, it will play audio, create timer. Okay. So basically I just need to launch an audio. I will say when, no, it will be even better. Add event, audio. No, I will do that with the mouse. I will launch the audio on a click. Oh, a button is better. Delete, yes. Button. One button per audio file. And to tell them apart, I will say action and audio. The first will be a string and the second will be a string as well. I will put the name of the function directly in the button. This way it will be pretty streamlined. Play audio for everyone. Play audio when 0, when 1, when 2, when 3, and when 4. Alright, and I just will name each one. Can I do that? Yeah. No. Yes. When 0, just have to change the last part. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, and now just have to add a little event on clicked function, call function, button action, and parameter button dot audio. Is that it? That's it. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay, I don't hear any audio, but the timer is working great. The timer isn't destroyed in the end, that's normal, and that's weird, pretty weird. Why do I have something like that? Oh, no, that's not weird, that's the little number is just added by our timer system, so it shouldn't be a problem here. Why don't I have an audio not looping from sound that it's just an offset? Sound name, the sound name is not right. When 0, when oh yeah, probably this no, it's just the text here. Why isn't it working? The play audio is launched. Let's see, do I have a oh, that's kind of not a good sign. Let's see, relaunch, nothing here, and if I shouldn't cover the chat window, you may have noticed I stopped using the the automatic overlay for the chat because I wasn't seeing the chat, so it was a problem for me. Now it's just a window on the side. Alright. Local var. Can I stop that? Wanna stop? Stop. Never really think I can do that. Okay. So local var stack holds undefined value. Yeah, not really helpful here. What's in the the quotes? Beware of the quotes. Okay. According to the first scroll of when the eternally surprised. Okay, it's working. It's in sync. When stepped out of the cave where he had received enlightenment. It's basically in sync. Well, it's local, so if I had a problem and a download time problem, it would be a bit weird. But it's working.